Saturday had pretty much been a dead day for the Red Rock subdivision until later in the afternoon. Our first train we cut over the weekend was this northbound unit train, bound for Wentworth, South Dakota. Our next train was this northbound mixed manifest that had originated out of Alliance, Texas, and was bound for Oklahoma City. This meant that when he got into Flynn Yard, he would be arriving at his destination, and that when he left, he'd likely be turned into an Oklahoma City to Galesburg mixed manifest. Unfortunately, someone's gotta always ruin the fun. It's a little hard to tell in this shot, but if you look down the tracks, you can see a guy walking along it, as the engineer's blowing the horn trying to get him to come off the tracks. After waiting what felt like an eternity, we finally got our last train for Saturday, this southbound Z train from Willow Springs, Illinois, bound for Alliance, Texas. Our first train on Sunday turned out to be a mix between a northbound grain shuttle and a northbound mixed manifest. They likely combined together somewhere along the line and were bound for Galesburg, Illinois. The next train was a southbound Tulsa to Temple mixed manifest train, with a nice little wave from the conductor as he passed on by. The last trains I saw over the weekend, I had to film them from inside our club building as we were having our weekly club meeting. So, I'm going to stop the narration here, and I'm just going to put on some music while the trains pass on by. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to y'all later.